Rig fast? Here's how in 60 seconds. First, grab your components: CPU, GPU, RAM, motherboard, SSD, power supply, and case. Start with the motherboard. Slot in your CPU, making sure it's aligned right. Add a dab of thermal paste, then clip on your cooler. Next, install the RAM sticks. Click them in firmly till you hear a snap. Now, plug in your SSD for that lightning-fast storage. Mount the motherboard into your case, lining it up with the standoffs. Screw it in securely. Insert your GPU into the PCIe slot, lock it in place. Connect the power supply to the motherboard, GPU, and storage. Double-check all connections, then close up your case. Finally, plug in your peripherals and power it up. Boom! You've got a gaming beast ready to crush any game. Easy, right? Happy gaming!